DPS TeleClass.
Assalamu alaikum. Hello students. How are you all? I hope you all are doing well. Alhamdulillah, I am also doing well. Students, before beginning the lesson, what we are going to do? MashaAllah. Before beginning the lesson, we have to recite the dua. Let's recite the dua.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Again, Kudu Miss is here to take thematic lesson for grade 2 students. Are you all ready for today's lesson? Now I am going to share the learning intention and success criteria. Today our learning intention is Today we are going to learn about the sun, the moon and the earth. Our success criteria for today's lessons are: you will be a star if you can identify the sun, moon and the earth, and make a model of the earth, the moon and the sun. So students, let's recall previous lessons. In previous days, what we are learning? Anyone have any idea about the lesson? We are learning about 4 seasons in the world. Students, what are the 4 seasons? MashaAllah, great work. We learn in autumn season, summer season, winter season and spring season. Great. And also we learned about 2 seasons in Maldives. Students, how many seasons are in Maldives? MashaAllah, there are 2 seasons. In Maldives, There are two seasons. They are Hulangu and Iruvai season. So students, are you excited to today's lesson? Oh, let's guess today's topic. See the pictures. Can anyone have any idea about today's topic? What is this? I think you guess now today's topics. The sun, the moon and the earth. So students, before beginning today's lesson, let's learn some new vocabularies. Moon, the Earth's satellite. Sphere, a round object like a ball. Sphere means a round object like a ball. Rotate, to turn on an axis. Orbit, to travel around another body. Revolve, to go around a point. Earth, our whole planet. Axis, a fixed point which an object spins round. So first we are learning about the sun. The sun is a large ball of very hot gas. The sun is a powerhouse of the solar system. Without the sun, there will be no life on earth. The sun is our nearest star. It's our nearest star. Sun moves in two ways. It will rotation and revolution. Sun can move in two ways, rotation and revolution. The sun sets in the west and the sun rises in the east. Moving sun. The sun sets in the evening. The sun rises in the morning. It is at its highest at midday. The moon. The moon is actually moving away from us. Each year, it moves 3.8 centimeters away from us. The moon goes through its phases in about 4 weeks. A moon that gets bigger is called a waxing moon. A moon that gets smaller is called a waning moon. The same side of moon always faces earth. We can never see the back side of the moon. Moon also moves in two ways. It rotates on an imaginary axis. It takes 28 days. It revolves around the earth. It takes 28 days. During this time, we see different lunar phases. The Earth. Earth, our home, is the third planet from the Sun. It is the only planet known to have an atmosphere containing free oxygen, oceans of water on its surface. Earth is the fifth largest of the planets in the solar system. How does Earth move? Students, do you know how the Earth moves? How does the Earth move? Its rotation. The Earth rotates on an imaginary axis. It takes 24 hours. And also its revolution. The Earth revolves around the Sun in elliptical orbit. It takes 1 year. The sizes of the Earth, the Sun and the Moon. The Sun is about 110 times bigger than the Earth. The Moon is about 4/1 the size of the Earth. So students, this is the end of today's lesson. I hope you will enjoy today's lesson and I hope you will get some information about the Sun, the Moon and the Earth. And also I hope you got some ideas about how to make a model of the Sun, the Earth and the Moon. Task of the day. By looking at video and you have to make a model of the Sun, the Moon and the Earth. You can use anything you want. You can use the colored paper or clay So students, don't forget to complete your task. You have to complete the task and bring 15th November in on your class on Sunday 15th November. Complete your task and bring it. I will upload your class Viber group to how to make a model of sun, earth and moon. You will see the video and get some ideas about it. Thank you for listening and watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe. Stay home.
DPS TeleClass